Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And just like that, we reached the end of our 1 week daily English phrases challenge. First of all, thank you so much for being a part of this journey. If you've been following this challenge from day one, give yourself a big round of applause because your consistency what creates results. Over the last 7 days, you learn new phrases, practice English, and most importantly, you've shown up for yourself every single day. Before we begin today's lesson, I want you to take a moment and appreciate yourself. 7 days ago, you started this challenge with a simple goal to improve your English little by little, one day at a time. And today, here we are on the final day of our 1 week daily use English phrases challenge. Whatever you watched every single day or you joined somewhere in the middle, the fact that you're here today shows that you are serious about learning and growing. Our past 1 week, we learned hundreds of useful phrases together. And every phrase has brought you one step closer to speaking English with confidence. Remember one thing, fluency is not built in a day. It's built through daily practice, consistency, and patience. So today, let's finish our final set of challenge. That wasn't on my bingo card. That wasn't on my bingo card. मैंने ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. You are not wrong. You are not wrong. तुम गलत भी नहीं हो. I'll take that as a compliment. I'll take that as a compliment. मैं इसे तारीफ समझूंगा. That's oddly satisfying. That's oddly satisfying. ये अजीब तरीके से अच्छा लग रहा है. You make a compelling case. You make a compelling case. तुमने अच्छी बात कही. I stand corrected. I stand corrected. मैं अपनी गलती मानता हूँ. That's a bold move. That's a bold move. ये हिम्मत वाला कदम है. Noted for future reference. Noted for future reference. आगे के लिए याद रखूंगा. You have a point there. You have a point there. तुम्हारी बात में दम है. I hadn't thought of that. I hadn't thought of that. मैंने इस तरह नहीं सोचा था. That's food for thought. That's food for thought. ये सोचने लायक बात है. I'd rather not say. I'd rather not say. मैं बताना पसंद नहीं करूंगी. That's a tricky one. That's a tricky one. ये थोड़ा मुश्किल सवाल या सिचुएशन है. You caught me off guard. You caught me off guard. तुमने मुझे अचानक हैरान कर दिया. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. इस बात पर मैं तुमसे सहमत हूँ. That's easier to digest. That's easier to digest. इसे समझना आसान है. I see the appeal. I see the appeal. मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि लोगों को ये क्यों पसंद आता है. That checks out. That checks out. ये बात सही लग रही है. You might be onto something. You might be onto something. शायद तुमने कोई अच्छी बात पकड़ी है. That's a fair observation. That's a fair observation. ये सही और उचित बात है. I wasn't prepared for that. I wasn't prepared for that. मैं इसके लिए तैयार नहीं थी. That deserves some credit. That deserves some credit. इसकी तारीफ होनी चाहिए. You can't argue with that. You can't argue with that. इस बात से इनकार नहीं किया जा सकता. That's a pleasant surprise. That's a pleasant surprise. ये एक अच्छा सरप्राइज है. I'll reserve my judgment. I'll reserve my judgment. मैं अभी अपनी राय नहीं दूंगी. That's quite refreshing. That's quite refreshing. ये काफी नया और अच्छा लग रहा है. You've convinced me. You've convinced me. तुमने मुझे मना लिया है. I see your logic. I see your logic. मैं तुम्हारी सोच समझ रहा हूँ. That's an interesting angle. That's an interesting angle. ये देखने का दिलचस्प तरीका है. I'll keep that under consideration. I'll keep that under consideration. मैं इस बात पर विचार करूंगी. That changes everything. That changes everything. इससे सब कुछ बदल जाता है. You make it sound easy. You make it sound easy. तुम इसे बहुत आसान बता रही हो. That's a rare find. That's a rare find. यह बहुत कम मिलने वाली चीज है. I wasn't expecting much. I wasn't expecting much. मुझे ज़्यादा उम्मीद नहीं थी. That exceeded my expectations. That exceeded my expectations. ये मेरी उम्मीद से भी बेहतर निकला. You've got my attention. You've got my attention. तुमने मेरा ध्यान खींच लिया है. That's worth discussing. That's worth discussing. इस पर बात करनी चाहिए. I appreciate the honesty. I appreciate the honesty. मैं तुम्हारी ईमानदारी की कदर करती हूँ. That's surprisingly useful. That's surprisingly useful. ये हैरानी की बात है कि ये इतना यूज़फुल है. I'll think it through. I'll think it through. मैं इसके बारे में अच्छी तरह सोचूंगी. That's a conversation starter. That's a conversation starter. ये बात डिस्कशन शुरू कर सकती है. You make a strong argument. You make a strong argument. तुमने बहुत मजबूती से बात रखी है. That puts things in perspective. That puts things in perspective. इससे चीजें ज़्यादा साफ समझ आती हैं. I can get behind that. I can get behind that. मैं इस बात का सपोर्ट कर सकती हूँ. That's something to consider. That's something to consider. ये सोचने लायक बात है. You raise a good question. You raise a good question. तुमने अच्छा सवाल उठाया है. That's a refreshing take. That's a refreshing take. ये एक नया और अच्छा नजरिया है. I can see the value in that. I can see the value in that. मैं समझ सकती हूँ इसकी क्या अहमियत है. That's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. ये बुरा आइडिया नहीं है. You've given me something to think about. You've given me something to think about. तुमने मुझे सोचने के लिए एक अच्छी बात दी है. I see where this is going. I see where this is going. मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि बात किस तरफ जा रही है. That's a tough act to follow. That's a tough act to follow. इसके बाद अच्छा करना मुश्किल है. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not entirely sure. मैं पूरी तरह से श्योर नहीं हूँ. That sounds reasonable. That sounds reasonable. ये बात ठीक लगती है. You never know. You never know. कुछ भी हो सकता है. That's easier said than done. That's easier said than done. कहना आसान है, करना मुश्किल. I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to learn. मैं सीखने के लिए तैयार हूँ. That came as a surprise. That came as a surprise. ये मेरे लिए सरप्राइज था. I can live with that. I can live with that. मैं इसे एक्सेप्ट कर सकती हूँ. That's a valid concern. That's a valid concern. ये एक सही चिंता है. I'm not making excuses. I'm not making excuses. मैं बहाने नहीं बना रही हूँ. That deserves attention. That deserves attention. इस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए. I wouldn't go that far. I wouldn't go that far. मैं इतना आगे नहीं जाऊंगी. That's one way of looking at it. That's one way of looking at it. इसे ऐसे भी देखा जा सकता है. I'm not ruling anything out. I'm not ruling anything out. मैं किसी भी पॉसिबिलिटी को मना नहीं कर रही हूँ. That's easier to handle. That's easier to handle. इसे संभालना आसान है. I have a different take on that. I have a different take on that. इस बारे में मेरी अलग राय है. That's worth a closer look. That's worth a closer look. इसे ध्यान से देखना चाहिए. I'm trying to be realistic. I'm trying to be realistic. मैं प्रैक्टिकल रहने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. That makes a difference. That makes a difference. इससे फर्क पड़ता है. I'm not jumping to conclusions. I'm not jumping to conclusions. मैं जल्दबाजी में फैसला नहीं कर रही हूँ. That's a fair assessment. That's a fair assessment. ये सही विश्लेषण है. I didn't look at it that way. I didn't look at it that way. मैं इसे इस नजरिए से नहीं देख रही हूँ. That's a good reminder. That's a good reminder. ये अच्छी याद दिलाने वाली बात है. I'm keeping an open mind. I'm keeping an open mind. मैं खुले विचार रख रही हूँ. That sounds familiar. That sounds familiar. ये सुना सुना लग रहा है. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. मुझे हैरानी नहीं होगी. That's a positive sign. That's a positive sign. ये अच्छा संकेत है. I'm willing to give it a chance. I'm willing to give it a chance. मैं इसे एक मौका देने को तैयार हूँ. That could work. That could work. ये काम कर सकता है. I'm trying to stay focused. I'm trying to stay focused. मैं फोकस बनाए रखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. That's easier to understand. That's easier to understand. इसे समझना आसान है. I have no reason to doubt it. I have no reason to doubt it. मुझे इस पर शक करने की वजह नहीं है. That's a thoughtful response. That's a thoughtful response. ये सोच समझ कर दिया गया जवाब है. I'm taking it into account. I'm taking it into account. मैं इसे ध्यान में रख रही हूँ. That explains a lot. That explains a lot. इससे बहुत कुछ समझ आता है. I can appreciate that. I can appreciate that. मैं इसकी कदर कर सकती हूँ. That's not what I expected. That's not what I expected. मैंने ये उम्मीद नहीं की थी. I'm trying to keep things balanced. I'm trying to keep things balanced. मैं चीज़ों को संतुलित रखने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. That sounds like a plan. That sounds like a plan. ये अच्छा प्लान लगता है. I'm glad you mentioned that. I'm glad you mentioned that. अच्छा हुआ तुमने ये बात कही. That's a useful insight. That's a useful insight. ये एक उपयोगी जानकारी है. I hadn't considered that. I hadn't considered that. मैंने इस बारे में नहीं सोचा था. That's a strong possibility. That's a strong possibility. इसकी संभावना काफी ज़्यादा है. I'm willing to listen. I'm willing to listen. मैं सुनने के लिए तैयार हूँ. That clears things up. That clears things up. इससे बात साफ हो गई है. I can understand your point. I can understand your point. मैं तुम्हारी बात समझ सकती हूँ. That's a sensible approach. That's a sensible approach. ये समझदारी भरा तरीका है. I'm still thinking about it. I'm still thinking about it. मैं अभी भी इसके बारे में सोच रही हूँ. That's worth keeping in mind. That's worth keeping in mind. इसे याद रखना चाहिए. So keep revising, keep practicing, and keep using these phrases in your daily life. The more you use them, the more natural English will feel. If you completed all 7 days, then comment challenge completed below. I love to celebrate your achievement with you. And don't forget, I'll be bringing more English lessons, challenges, and practice sessions very soon. Thank you for learning with me. Keep growing, keep improving, and keep speaking English with confidence. See you in the next video.